Hello everyone, welcome to our Python from Scratch series. So in the last video we have covered loops in Python. Now let's understand list and dictionaries in Python. Let's move ahead. What is list? So list is like a basket where you can keep many items of different types in one place. Okay, so either it could be a number type, it could be a string type, it could be a double, float, any type you can store within a list as a single unit. Okay, so now you can see in this example, I have taken a fruit basket. Okay, so for now, I have added just apple, banana, mango, single type of items, but I can also add different types of items in my basket as well. So this list is of size 3. Okay, we can retrieve items from this list, we can add to this list, we can remove from this list. So we will understand these one by one. So let's move ahead to our Google Colab. Okay, so let's understand how we can retrieve items from a list. So let me create the same example. Fruit, where I have mango, banana, let me take orange. Okay. Now, if I have to retrieve item from this list, so how can I do that? Let me print that. So we will take the name of the list, fruits. Okay, and if I want to retrieve mango, so mango is at 0 index. So in Python, the indexing start from 0, then 1, and then 2. Okay, so if I want to retrieve mango, so what I will do, the 0, so it will provide me mango. And similarly, if I do print fruits 2, so it will give me mango and orange. So mango is at 0 index and orange is at 2nd index. Okay. Okay, now let's understand how we can loop through our list. Okay, so we have learned the for loop. Okay, so I'll take the similar example. So I have this basket where I have different type of items in my basket, string, numbers, and double, float, digits. Okay, and I'm iterating over like for item. So this is my variable in range. So I have not defined any hard-coded range. So this range is coming from this basket. So I've taken basket here. So I'm iterating over every item in my basket. Okay, and I'm printing my item. Okay, so let's execute it. Yeah, so you can see it printed every item in my basket. Okay, now let's understand how we can add and remove item from our list. So to add item in our list, we have a method called append that we have present with our list. So our list is basket dot append, and then whatever we want to append inside it. Okay, so let me append 24 inside it. Okay, so I'm appending 24 inside my list. I don't have 24 here, so let me execute it. Done. Okay, now let me print my basket again. Okay, so 24 is added to my list. Okay, now how to remove item from the list? Okay, so for that what I can do is, okay, so to remove item from a list, we have method inside list called remove. So let me take that basket dot remove and the item that I want to remove. So for example, I want to remove this banana. Okay, so I will give banana here. Okay, execute it. It's done. Let me print it. Now my basket will no longer have the banana. Okay, there is no banana. Now, if you want to print your length of your list, how you can do that? So for that, we have a method called len, L-E-N, okay, which will tell your length of your list. Okay, so my basket. Okay, and it will print the length of my basket. Let me execute. 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 item in my list. So that was list. So these are the operations that we can perform within our list. So now let's move ahead and understand what is dictionary. So dictionary is like a box with labels. You look something up by a name called key and get its value. Okay. So you can get anything out of it using a key. Okay. So this is the example, like how a dictionary look like. So it's if you have worked on ever like on TypeScript or JavaScript, so it's like a simple object. Okay, so in Python we say it dictionary. So here I have the personal dictionary, and inside the person I have name, age, city. Okay, now let's move ahead to our Google Colab, and now let's understand how we can print items that we have inside the dictionary. Okay, so let me create my example of dictionary. So I have person equals to this name. Let me take name as Sumit. Let me take age as 10. Let me take city as Delhi. Okay, so this is my dictionary. Now what I want to do is I want to access the name of this person. Okay, so how can I do that? Okay, so how can I do that? For that, what I will do is, let me print that directly. Person, and inside person, I want to provide the name of that key. Okay, so in the square bracket, we will provide the name of the key is name. Okay, so I want to fetch name from the person. So if I execute it, it says Sumit. Okay, if I print age, I can access from this age key. Age, it's printing Sumit and 10, and then similarly I can do city. Okay, now if I want to change the value of a particular key, so how we can do that? For that, what we need to do is person, and which key I want to change. For example, I want to change its age. Okay, so person key, and I will assign value to it. Like earlier it was 10, now I am assigning 12 to it. Okay, now let me also print it, so we will see the value has changed. So how we can print person and then age. Okay, now let's me execute it. Yeah, so now the value is changed to 12. If I print the complete person to show you that it is changed. Okay, you can see name Sumit, age 12, city Delhi. So that's how we change the value inside it. Okay, you can also delete this complete key value inside a dictionary as well. So the syntax for that is del. Del means delete. What do I want to delete? Inside person, I want to delete this particular city. You can also delete the complete person as well. But right now I want to delete person, and inside person I want to delete its city. Okay. And then let me also print the person. So you can see that it is deleted. Okay. Now you can see I have only name and age left. Okay. Now how we iterate over the dictionary. We have learned how we can iterate over the list. Now let's see how we can iterate over the dictionary. So I have this person. Okay. Let me do for key. Okay. We iterate using the key. because key is very crucial. We perform all operation using this key only from this dictionary. So key is name. Here name is the key and age is the key and city is the key. Okay, so we'll iterate every key. So for key in person, we'll print key. It will print the key and then append it with this, and then we'll get the value of that key. Okay, so it will print the key name, for example, name, age, city, and then what is the value assigned to it. So for inside person name, what is there? Sumit. Person dot age 12. Person dot city Delhi. So it will print like this. So let me print it. Okay, so it's printing name Sumit, age 12. It's not printing city because we have removed the city here. Okay, so that's how we loop over the dictionary as well. Okay, so that was all about this video. In the next video, we will discuss about the functions in Python. Thank you.